The most powerful thing you can do in your writing is make your reader believe that you are reading their mind. So when they're reading your words, they are literally thinking, how is she in my head? How does she know what I'm thinking? It is so, so powerful. And if anyone has experienced that before, you will know what it feels like to be reading something and kind of be like, wow, this person has got inside my head. Do they really get me? So there's lots of different ways to do it. We need to go into doing voice of customer research to really delve into how to read your client's mind, which I do in my website Words Workshop. I have a whole module dedicated to it. So if you want to find more about that, you can go to my Instagram at 23wisewords and click on the website Words Workshop. But for now, I want to share 3 questions with you. If you know how to answer these 3 questions really well, like in a lot of detail, you can then put these answers in your copy, and this is how your reader is going to be like, wow, she can read my mind. So question number 1 is you need to know what keeps them awake at 3 a.m. So what is it that they are lying in bed thinking about it? And a hint is usually it's their biggest fear. Now, it's something you can solve, of course, but what do they lie awake in bed thinking about? That's question number 1. Question number 2, what did they complain about to their partner over dinner last night? When they were sitting there, what were they so frustrated about, to do with work, to do with something that you can, or their life, something that you can help solve? What were they complaining about? So if you can answer that question, you can write that in your copy too. And number 3 is, how have they tried to solve this problem before? How or where? It could be that they've just read books on it. It could be that they listen to podcasts. It could be that they've actually tried to solve it properly by working with someone else before. If you know that, then you can know what objections they might have to working with you, and you can answer those in your copy as well. So those are the 3 questions you need to answer in order to make your reader believe that you can read their mind. What keeps them awake at 3 a.m.? What do they complain about to their partner over dinner or to their business buddies over Zoom? And how have they ever tried to solve this problem or frustration before? If you can answer those questions and weave those anecdotes and stories and answers into your copy, you will have such powerful results in terms of conversion.